screen if you want to like get yourself in a shot, so that you could like
if
go
we
back and,
you want to take a
and
selfie,
a still shot. Yeah, so you could go back and take a still shot and yeah, that's real thing.
Sparta! Kick you off the fucking ledge, bitch.
I don't want to
Oh!
Yo, how's the coffee thing look?
It's like pretty. Oh shit! Oh, you totally just got crumbs on it.
Crumbs? What the fuck? I'm not eating cookies.
You got crumbs on it, bro. The camera goes off. I gotta edit these motherfucking settings right now. I need to see what I'm visualizing here. Camera, come back on, my guy. There we go. Look at that beautiful shot. It's probably gonna put some background music to my voice, but check it out. Don't do it, Brian. Don't do it, Brian. Oh, shitty titty.
I broke it in half.
Yeah, you did. How dare you? With a sweet profile pic here. Check it. He's jacking it.
Drinking the demon blood.
The demons are back. All right, now there is an enemy hitting you in the back. You gotta arch your back. We get that in the background for like a little picky pick. Boom! Yeah, I'm gonna go through these VODs and like try to get like 1 million pictures and probably get like 2. What? Probably didn't pick that up, but he called me a little bitch, if you guys didn't hear that. He called me a little motherfucking bitch. He didn't say little though. Oh shit. Gotta stop looking at the camera. You want to kill the camera, motherfucker?
Oh god.
That would have been funny. You should have did it for the camera.
Break my leg.
You should have did it for the vine.
What, break my leg?
No, it just fell over.
Oh. There you go.
Bitch.
It would definitely kill you.
Yeah?
Would break it too. You would fall and break it, but this would go right through you. For sure. Let's test.
No. No me gusta.
Poggers. Did you put the camera in my ass?
Possibly.
Control.
I've lost control.
No, we're in control, like the game now.
No, but I've lost control. Somebody lost control, dude. Like, that's literally what happened. Holy shit.
That was a lot of fun.
Oh, man, I'm out of shape.
So am I.
That's gonna be a clip right there.
Yo, this water looks musty as hell.
Jump in.
You first.
Okay. Chat, here we go. Pretty good impression now.
It's alright.
What do you guys think? 10 out of 10?
It ain't no pterodactyl.
I'm like too out of breath to even do that. Or am I?
You heard that echo?
But we are back, so hopefully I can edit this video enough to post up a YouTube video soon.
Okay.
And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I'm knocked out now, so I can't edit it. But
you just got knocked the fuck out.
tell little birdie you got knocked the fuck out. Already, guys? Hardcore parkour. Oh, I just broke my leg. Oh, dude, that totally got everywhere. Sure to like and sub. Thanks, guys. Peace.